Jeremy Musson. I'm an architecture historian, and I'm on the Interiors Working Group that advises the Stowe House Preservation Trust on the great projects. The state dining room is a truly spectacular room. We know it was first designed as a state tapestry gallery, and all the richness of colour, all those golds that you'll see in the tapestry, or the gold in the ceiling decoration, all of that then attracted a later member of the family to convert it into a great dining room. It was towards the end of the 18th century, early 19th century. People began to get the taste for dining at great long tables, ablaze with silver candlesticks, arriving in for your meals in great processions by order of precedence. There's a great emphasis on the impact that room would make you. And this restoration project is getting back all of that colour and all of that glamour into the decoration, so we can really appreciate what that room was like. Not least when, of course, Queen Victoria and Prince Albert dined there in 1845. And imagine not just the grandeur of the table, the grandeur of the decoration, the elegance of the guests, but also the fine liveried servants who would be serving, creating another layer of moving visual sort of decorative quality around that element of the feast.